Oh, that is so big. Tried to get some footage this morning, but we were not expecting everything to come this early. But our couch came in, as well as some other pieces of furniture. James is also here.
I am here because I live here.
Wow, it's so empty. Wait, come here.
I don't have my glasses.
Oh my god.
What?
I thought you were gonna like slide it over.
I've been working out, girl.
Okay, wait. Visualize it first.
Imagine it lengthwise. It's way too big, right? You want to try it?
I do. It looks more as intended.
This looks huge now.
Oh, this is hard. Hi, James.
Feels good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the cloud couch from 25 Home. I will say couch hunting is probably one of the hardest things with apartment decorating, and I'm very, very happy with this couch. There are some other couches on 25 Home that we're eyeing, but I personally just like how soft and comfy this one looked. It's also filled with down and foam, so it's very, very soft. And then there's this tufting detail on the pillows. It is also a corduroy fabric. I will link this couch in the description just in case any of you are curious. And then 25 Home as well. They have other options as well as other furniture that you guys can check out.
What?
The Kardashian.
About to meet with the Prada reps. I have my room like filled with
It's better not just be for the camera.
It was just